Number 1. A 1957 Oldsmobile 88 is listed at $26,500. It has been fitted with a 350 engine, a 700R transmission, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. The paint shows scratches and chips, and the car is described as a clean, two-tone, two-door hardtop cruiser. It features sharp chrome aftermarket wheels, a restored interior with a custom cream bench seat, a center console, and an updated dash. Number 2. This 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, listed at $17,500 in Winchester, Virginia, is a well-preserved, largely original midsize model from a long-term second owner since 1984. It has a repaint from the early 80s, solid floors, and minor trunk repairs. Powered by a 350 SID V8 with an automatic transmission and power steering, it's a strong driver and restoration prospect. Significant mechanical updates include new brakes and fuel systems, along with new wheels and tires. A new black interior and rocker moldings are included, reducing restoration work. Enjoyable as is, it offers personalization potential. This Chevelle balances originality, mechanical renewal, and restoration potential, making it a rewarding classic with authentic muscle-era styling. Number 3. Priced at $8,500, this 1959 Edsil Corsair was a barn find that has since been revived into a running weekend cruiser. The original drivetrain has been replaced with a 360 FE big block mated to a C6 automatic transmission. The car features manual steering and brakes. The seller notes that the car runs and drives well, having covered roughly 3,000 miles last year, and is capable of keeping up with modern traffic on the highway. The interior upholstery is still mostly intact but shows signs of age, with blankets currently covering the seats. The body is said to be in solid shape overall, with the exception of the driver's side rocker panel. Recent updates include a completely new fuel system, brake system, and cooling system. A new windshield is also included among some extra parts. While the car could benefit from a few finishing touches, it's reportedly ready to drive as is. No trades are being considered. Located in downtown Graham, North Carolina. Number 4. The 1954 Ford Crestline Skyliner is priced at $24,500 and has 57,980 miles. It is powered by a 239 Y-block V8 with an oil bath air cleaner and a Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission. This is a rare one-year-only model with a glass roof, two-tone interior, and new Coker wide white-wall tires. It includes the factory spare and runs and drives very nicely. Number 5. Offered at $12,000 or best offer in East Liverpool, Ohio. This custom 1967 Chevrolet Bel Air blends vintage style with modern upgrades. Powered by a 327 SID V8 with a Power Glide automatic, it has low mileage, around 50,000. Custom features include an upgraded interior, suicide doors, and adjustable air suspension. It rides on 22-inch wheels and has a high-end alarm with remote start. This unique classic offers a blend of vintage appeal and custom luxury, ready to drive and enjoy. Number 6. Priced at $8,000, this 1961 Oldsmobile Cutlass has been owned and enjoyed for several years, but is now being offered for sale. It's powered by a 215 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed Slim Jim automatic transmission, which was replaced in 2018 according to the seller. There have been some cosmetic and mechanical upgrades, including a repaint in 2019 and reupholstered seats in 2020. The engine has received a Holley 450 carburetor upgrade, a Champion 3-core aluminum radiator, rebuilt generator, and a new water pump and ignition coil. A compression test reportedly shows a 10-to-1 ratio across the cylinders. The seller mentions the car is drivable but notes it could use new engine mounts and some work on the hood. Open to trade offers. Located in Garden Grove, California. Number 7. The 1939 Ford Deluxe is offered at $37,000 and underwent a complete restoration 5 years ago. It features a rebuilt flathead V8 with Edelbrock aluminum heads, MSD ignition, 3 of 4 race cams, a new carburetor, headers with custom exhaust, and an electric fuel pump. The 3-speed transmission has been rebuilt. The exterior is painted dark blue metallic with candy apple wheels and Coker Firestone Champion tires. The interior is finished in blue with an aftermarket radio and electric wipers. Minor paint blemishes and a dent on the left rear quarter are noted. Number 8. Priced at $18,500 in Whitesburg, Tennessee. This beautiful 1940 Cadillac Lasal exemplifies pre-war American elegance. Powered by a flathead V8 with a 3-speed manual, it's in great overall condition with an excellent interior. The paint is fair to decent. A rare find, it's mechanically sound, except for non-operational turn signals and rust-free. Ideal for enjoying and further restoration. This largely original classic offers a fantastic opportunity to own a piece of automotive history with comfortable styling and solid mechanics. Number 9. This 1974 Dodge Charger, priced at $12,000. in Aliso Viejo, California, is powered by a 5.2L 318 small block with mechanical updates. Trade offers are considered for specific older Pontiac Firebirds or Trans Ams. It features an overhauled transmission and numerous new parts, including fuel pump, shocks, carburetor, intake manifold, radiator, and more. The engine has performance upgrades like a Lunati Voodoo cam and aluminum heads. It also has new headers, starter, wheels, tires, reupholstered seats, and resealed windows. Known issues include roof bondo, potential rear floor pan work, and a non-installed speedometer. Number 10. The 1937 Plymouth P4 is offered at $30,000 and has undergone a detailed restoration. It retains its numbers-matching rebuilt motor and has been reupholstered in era-correct style. The undercarriage is spotless and has been both painted and powder-coated. Number 11. Priced at $62,900 in Newfield, New Jersey. This 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS is a performance-built classic muscle car with the original Super Sport bin. It features a NOM 350 V8 engine with performance upgrades, an M21 4-speed manual transmission, and 4.10 gears. The red exterior is complemented by a fiberglass cowl hood and new polished torque thrust wheels. The older restoration is excellent, showcasing a red and white original-style interior with an AM radio and underdash gauges. This Nova SS blends classic aesthetics with strong modern performance. Number 12. Priced at $10,995, this 1974 Dodge Dart Sport. According to the seller, wears 340 badging, though it's actually equipped with a 318 engine paired with a Torque Flight automatic transmission. It's described as an excellent driver with recent mechanical maintenance, including new front ball joints, brake calipers, pads, front shocks, water pump, and an aligned front end. The front rotors and rear drums have been turned. The seller notes that the speedometer and radio are non-functional, but other gauges, wipers, and the heater are working. The front seat is reportedly scheduled for reupholstery. Offered at $10,995 or best offer. Located in Rigby, Idaho. Number 13. Priced at $7,500, this 1929 Mercedes-Benz Gazelle. is a kit car with a manual transmission. It has new brakes, starter, timing belt, and various accessories, including carpeting and a convertible top. The car still needs some work to be roadworthy and is sold, as is with accessories included. Number 14, at $2,200 in Geneva, Nebraska, this one-owner 1978 Mercury Grand Marquee with 78,000 original miles offers restoration or derby potential. While it runs, it needs brake repairs and new tires. Powered by a Ford 400 CI engine with recent maintenance, plugs, wires, carb kit, fluids, it has a rebuilt power steering pump, leaky box. The interior is clean with minor body rust. It comes with the original title. A parasitic battery drain is noted. This low-mileage classic with a clean interior is a great project starting point. Number 15. Priced at $15,000, this 1967 Chrysler Newport convertible, as the seller notes, was originally a project belonging to their late father. The car is powered by a rebuilt 383 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor. Paired to a rebuilt 727 automatic transmission. The drivetrain has reportedly seen fewer than 100 miles since the work was completed. The convertible top is new, and the interior has been redone. The exterior is white with a black interior. Clean title in hand. Located in Coal City, West Virginia. Number 16. Priced at $18,000, this 1969 Ford Fairlane 500 Fastback. According to the seller, is in good condition with 65,000 miles on the odometer. The car features a 302 engine with long tube headers, a fuel rock intake manifold, and a Holley 600 carburetor. It is equipped with an aluminum radiator with an electric fan and an Edelbrock intake. The car retains its factory C4 transmission. The exterior is finished in a jade green color, and the interior is black. The seller is asking for $18,000 and is open to serious inquiries. Located in Basehor, Kansas.